Want to flip names around from first name last to last name first format? Let's do that in one step using the concatenate function in Excel. I've got a list here, first names in column A, last names in column B. I'll click into cell C2 and insert the concatenate formula. The concatenate formula grabs the last name from B2. It then adds a comma and a space. And tacks on the first name from A2 hit. Enter. I've got it reversed. Smith, John. Now I'll drag the formula down the column, and boom, the full list is flipped instantly. This trick is super handy when working with directories, mail merges, or standardizing names in datasets. That's part 8 of the 500 plus Excel tips and tricks playlist in the channel. Like what you're learning? Hit subscribe and keep your Excel skills sharp with more daily tutorials. Thanks for watching.